My name is Basirat Adesina, and I'm here to enlighten you on issues around sexual harassment, exploitation, and abuse. What is sexual harassment? Sexual harassment is any unwelcome or unwanted remark of sexual nature. It can be physical, it can be non-physical, it can be verbal remarks such as jokes. What is sexual abuse? Sexual abuse is of sexual nature. Like we have rape, issues about on defilement and molestation. What is sexual exploitation? Sexual exploitation arises out of unequal power, abuse of power. Sexual exploitation is an abuse of power. Such that a good example is sex for food, sex for grade, sex for position, and these three terminologies, they are not acceptable. They are not acceptable. And as we celebrate the International Women's Day this year, it is time for us to accelerate action and promote gender equality and forbid all forms of sexual harassment, exploitation, and abuse. Child abuse unacceptable. We understand and know that anyone below the age of 18 is a child, and having sexual relationship with a child is forbidden, not acceptable. It is very important that organizations, all workplace, public and private institutions as well, comes to put structures, systems, policies, processes in place to curb these issues. It is very important that top HR practitioners as well in organizations work with leaders to create safe space for employees to work and thrive. That I don't know, the age of a child is not an excuse in case of child abuse. We also understand that it is very important that that 1 in 3 women suffers abuse. That means 30% of women suffer sexual abuse in any form. So it is very important this season as well to promote gender equality, educate staff, educate employees, educate the citizens, government institutions on how to report all forms of cases in the organization as well as with the law enforcement authorities, as the case may be. My name is Basirat Adesina. I stand against all forms of sexual harassment, exploitation, and abuse while we continue to ensure that our environment and workplace are safe for all. If you see something, say something. Thank you.